I spy with my little eye something from a company beginning with D, or do I, causing somewhat of a stir at the moment, the Spectra Air, a machine with very similar specifications to DJI stuff that's kicking out and about there, and for quite a reasonable price. Now, why is it in the world? Let's just run this little bit of a video clip here. Very normal sort of stuff, isn't it? We see in these things, and it's even got a manual, which interesting is version 1 2023 12, so December 2012. So lots of speculation kicking about as to what this is and what it's for. So let's just go from the known, and here's a known. This thing's built by the Cognito tech company, and I'm gonna have definitely got that wrong, because that's from, of course, if we think that there's some thinking behind this, as it were, Cognito ergo sum is, I think, therefore I am, and so that amuses me a great deal. It exists, therefore it is. So that's the company that's made it. You can find its FCC filings, and look, this is where they're based, in Hong Kong. They're in that building there, and they admit that they are not on the covered list. What's the covered list? That's the list that says don't be Huawei or ZTE, a subsidiary or affiliate of Hikvision, Hydra Communications. We all know these companies that America's very worried about for spying, Chinese spying, putting back doors on things. And then the last thing that we know is that the website for the company that builds these machines is still under construction. So why this has landed on Amazon now, I don't know. Is it to start getting around potential DJI FCC bans? No mention of DJI there in that FCC undertaking. I wonder. Time will tell. I will email them, or I have emailed them to ask questions. We shall see if they get back to me. Dear viewer, have a lovely weekend. Don't forget to see us 2100 GMT every Tuesday for our chat of nonsense. Cheers for now.